down at the lake, and don't know if you can see them, but there's some geese out there swimming. I might have to zoom it in a little bit. But beautiful, beautiful day today. A couple of boats pulled out earlier when I was driving in. So, and it's just a really, really pretty day. I can't see the geese now. But, probably behind the trees there. I don't see them. Oh, they're coming up. See you at the boat ramp? Coming up. Oh, that's cool. They decided to make a detour. Probably smelt my French fries because I stopped at the ice cream store and had ice cream. I got a pup cup for the girls, but they ate one already, so just waiting for the other one to melt down a little bit. They're coming up. I got a hamburger and French fries and shake. Yeah, pretty big birds. They're pretty. And I think he smelled my French fries over here, the one stopped in the back. He's thinking about coming over here. That's so cool. Alrighty, until next time.